Hi all, in this video we'll see how to add resources like Google Slides, Google Docs and embedded PDF to 99lms.com. You have to select courses, resources. For adding a resource, or you have to select a grade. I am selecting grade as file, and I have to select a subject also. I am selecting mathematics for the demo. Okay, and I'm clicking on add resources. We have to scroll down and we'll get the resource type Google Docs and Google Slides or embedded PDF. Click on Google Slides. Will be prompted to fill up title and embed code. I'm giving a sample slide as name, and we have to get the embed code. For that we have to go to the Google Google Drive. I've created some materials. Open the slide. Go to file menu. Click on publish to the web option. I'm clicking on publish to the web, and there's a yellow button publish. Click on that publish. There is you will be asked for confirmation. Click on OK. Then go to the embed tab. There are two tabs, link tab and embed tab. Go to the embed tab, next tab, and select size as small and copy this code. Right click and copy the code. Go to CyberSquare and paste it over here and save it. This is how you add a slide. You can have a preview also. Okay, now we have added a slide. Now we will add an embed PDF. For that we have to go to same add resources drop down box. Click on the same option, Google Slides or embed PDF. I am giving the title sample PDF, and go to the sample PDF. Double click on this. It will get open the same window, and click on the three dots menu. This is more options. Okay, and click on open in new window. You have to open this PDF material in a different window. Okay, again you have three dots, more actions menu there. Click on that. Click on embed item and copy this code. Copy this code and paste it over here and save it. And you can close this window. And one more thing, important thing is that you have to go to the PDF and change the sharing settings. You have to click on the more actions menu, and there is first option is share. Click on that and go to advanced. By default it will be private, only you can access. Change it. Click on change and click on anyone with link. Okay, click on save. Done. Now you will be the students will be able to access the menu, means a resource. Click on view. That's it. You have added a PDF. Now we will add a document. There are two options for adding a document. If you want the student to download the document, you can add it as a link. And if you want the student to only see the document, you can publish it. Then the student will only be able to see the document. The student won't be able to download the document. So we'll see the first option. Click on the add resources, select Google Docs, give the title PDF, PDF sample doc download. Okay, we have to for this option we have to go to the drive and open the sample document. Open the document you have. Okay, and click on file menu. Click on share. Go to the advanced tab. This is only you can access. Change it. Anyone with the link. Okay. Click on save. There is a link at the top of this pop-up window. You can right click this, copy this and paste it over here and save it. Here when you see the preview, you can see file menu is there. Student will be able to download the resource. Okay, now the second option is adding the sample document without downloading. Student will be able to see it, but they won't be able to download it. Click on add resources. The same menu, Google Docs menu itself. Go to the document, and for publishing you need not give the access. For you can give off to specific people and save it. Click on done, and in the same file menu itself, click on publish to the web. You can click on this blue button, publish. You will be asked for confirmation. Give confirmation and go to the in the link tag itself. You need not go to the embed tab. You can copy the link in the link tab itself. There are two tabs, link and embed. You can copy the link in the link tab itself. Copy it and paste it over here. And the sample document, I can publish and save it. And if you take the preview, you'll be able to see there are no options for downloading the document. Only view is available. Okay, this is how we add document without giving option for downloading. Thank you.